Hello students, in this video I explain important problems in differential equations. First here we discuss order and degree of the differential equations. What is order of the differential equation? The highest derivative of the differential equation is called order of the differential equation. Then degree of the differential equation is highest power of the order of the differential equation that result in polynomial equation. We define degree of the differential equations. Now here we have the result, the degree of the differential equation. Here we have equation, differential equation, d square by dx square plus 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3 by 2. Here we have options 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here this result write in the form of a polynomial result form. That's why d square y by dx square is equals to the second term transpose to or take this result to right hand side, we get minus of this term, minus of 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3 by 2. See now here 3 divided by 2. Now here square on both sides, squaring on both sides, this result becomes both left hand side and right hand side. This implies d square y by dx square whole square is equals to square of this term minus becomes plus 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power, here we have 3 by 2, square and root is cancelled to the power 3. Next here, now here we have to find degree of the differential equation. Highest derivative of this result is power, highest derivative is second order derivative. Power of the term is 2, that is degree of the differential equation. Here we have option B is correct. Next, here we have if m and n are order and degree of the differential equations, here d square y by dx square to the power 5 plus d square y by dx square to the power 3 divided by d cube y by dx cube plus d cube y by dx cube is equals to x square minus 1. And then here we have options order and degree. M is order, n is degree. Now here this result is not in polynomial equations. Now this result converted into polynomial equations. Now that's why multiplied both sides by d cube y by dx cube. What happens here? In first term we get d cube y by dx cube. See d square y by dx square to the power 5 here into d cube y by dx cube, d cube y by dx cube plus second term d cube y by dx cube gets cancelled. We get d square y by dx square to the power 3 plus here we have d cube y by dx cube into d cube y by dx cube, d cube y by dx cube into d cube y by dx cube, d cube y by dx cube whole square is equals to x square minus 1 into d cube y by dx cube. We get this result. Now here we have to find order and degree of the differential equations. What is the highest derivative of this differential equation? Here highest derivative is 3. Here power of highest power of that result, highest power. See here we have power is 1, highest derivative is 3. Here becomes 3, here also we have 3, here also we have 3, here 1, here also 1, but here we have 2. That's why here we consider order and degree of this result. Order is 3, degree is 2. Order is 3, degree is 2. Option C is correct. So next example, the differential equation obtained by eliminating a and b from y is equals to a cos omega t plus b sin omega t is. Here we have equation y is equals to a cos omega t plus b sin omega t. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides means d by dx of y can be written as y dash is equals to a is constant term, derivative of cos omega t is minus sin omega t, minus sin omega t into derivative of omega t is omega into derivative of t is 1 with respect to t here. Here we get minus a omega sin omega t plus b into derivative of sin omega t is cos omega t into omega, omega into cos omega t. Now here again differentiate this result. Again differentiate with respect to x, with respect to t on both sides. Y double dash is equals to minus a omega into derivative of sin omega t is cos omega t into omega, omega square cos omega t. Next, Derivative of cos omega t is minus sin omega t into omega minus b omega square sin omega t into omega is omega square. Now here we have minus omega square is common. Take common the term minus minus omega square. Remaining result a cos omega t plus b sin omega t. See a cos omega t plus b sin omega t is equals to y. Y double dash is equals to minus omega square y. Y double dash is equals to minus omega square y. See this result, check the options. Option A not possible, option B is also not possible, option C y double dash minus is not y square, this is omega square y. Omega square y, option C is correct option. This is previous year question. The order and degree of the differential equation x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus y square is equals to 0 or respectively 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2. See, highest derivative is this term d square y by dx square. Power of the result is 1. Now here order is 2 and degree is equals to 1. See, order is 2, degree is 1. Option B is correct. So next example, y is equals to a e to the power mx, a e to the power mx plus b e to the power minus mx. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy by dx is equals to a is constant term, derivative of e to the power mx is e to the power mx into m or a m e to the power mx. See here b e to the power mx is b into e to the power minus mx is e to the power minus mx into minus m plus into minus is minus. Next again differentiate this result, d square y by dx square is equals to a m square e to the power mx, e to the power mx into m, m into m is m square, a m square e to the power mx minus m into b e to the power minus mx is e to the power minus mx into minus m minus into minus plus m square. Next step, here we have m square, here also we have m square. Take common that result, m square of a e to the power mx plus b e to the power minus mx is y. See now here d square y by dx square is equals to m square y. M square y, take the results to left hand side, we get d square y by dx square minus m square y is equals to 0. This required result, option D is correct option. So the solution of the differential equation dx by x plus dy by y is equals to 0. This is variable separable form. Now here apply integral on both sides, dx by x plus dy by y is equals to 0. Take integral on both sides, integral of dx by x is log x plus integral of dy by y is log y is equals to integral of constant term. So integral of constant term directly consider c. So now here integral of 1 by x is log x plus log y is equals to log c. Next to log a plus log b form, log of ab, log of xy is equals to log c. Next log both sides gets cancelled, here we get xy is equals to c. Is the required solution for this result differential equation. Option D is correct. So the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 1 plus cos 2y divided by 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 0. Now here variable separable form, general dy by dx, second term take this result to right hand side, minus of 1 plus cos 2y divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Then take cross multiplication, dy divided by 1 plus cos. See, or we can consider this result directly, you can take form. See here we have dy by dx plus 1 plus cos 2y divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Now here divide both sides by 1 plus cos 2y. Here we get dy and multiplied by dx. dy divided by 1 plus cos 2y plus, see, multiplied by dx gets cancelled, dx divided by 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 0. No need to take all lengthy steps. Now here, integral of, see, 1 plus cos 2y can be written as dy divided by 2 cos square y plus dx divided by 2 sin square x is equals to 0. Now take an integral on both sides, integral of 1, say r, before that result, integral of 1 by 2 take outside, 1 by cos square can be written as secant square y into dy plus integral of 1 by 2, otherwise you can take 1 by 2 is not equals to 0, you can eliminate 1 by 2 cosecant square x into dx is equals to integral constant, here we consider c. Next, see here 1 by 2 can cancel directly the result. Integral of the secant square y is a tan y. Then integral of cosecant square is minus cot x is equals to c. See, in this result, cot tan y minus cot x is equals to c. Option B is correct. This is important result. The integrating factor of the differential equation cos x into dy by dx plus y sin x y. Okay, next, the integrating factor of the differential equation of this result cos x. Now here divide by cos x on both sides. Here we have the result cos x into dy by dx plus y sin x is equals to 1. Divide by cos x. See, divide by cos x on both sides. Cos gets cancelled. Here we get dy by dx plus sin by cos is a tan x. Tan x into y is equals to 1 by cos x is secant x. So now here this result in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form. General expression dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now here integrating factor is equals to e to the power integral of p into dx is equals to e to the power integral of p is here we tan x, integral of tan x into dx. Integral of tan x is log of secant x, e to the power log of secant x. Say e to the power log of secant x is secant x. See, option B is correct. The solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx minus y is equals to 3. Now here divide both sides by x, we get dy by dx plus of minus 1 by x into y is equals to 3 divided by x. See here this result in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q. See here p is equals to minus 1 by x, p is minus 1 by x and q is equals to 3 divided by x. Now here we have to first find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equals to e to the power integral of p into dx is equals to e to the power integral of p value is minus 1 by x, e to the power minus 1 by x into dx. See here e to the power minus 1 by x into dx, integral of e to the power integral of 1 by x is log x. See e to the power we get minus log x or e to the power log of 1 by x. See is equals to 1 by x, integrating factor. So now here we have to find the general solution of this result, solution of the differential equation. Y into integrating factor is 1 by x is equals to integral of q into integrating factor. Here we have q is equals to 3 by x. 3 by x into integrating factor is 1 by x into dx plus c. See y by x is equals to 3 take outside, integral of 1 by x square into dx. 1 by x square into dx plus c. Integral of 1 by x square is minus 1 divided by x. Minus 1 by x means minus 3 divided by x is equals to y by x plus c. Next to multiply both sides by x, we get here x gets cancelled, y is equals to minus 3 plus cx. Y is equals to minus 3 plus cx. See this result, observe here, here we have the options, straight lines, circles, parabola and ellipse. It is a straight line. Option A is correct. See the order and the degree of the differential equation. 1 plus dy by dx whole square plus sine of dy by dx to the power 3 by 4 is d square by dx square. See here we can define directly order. Highest order of the differential equation is 2. Highest derivative means order is 2. But degree of the differential equation, here we have sine of dy by dx. This is not in a polynomial equation form. That's why degree is not defined. See, order is 2, degree is not defined. Order is 2, degree not defined because sine of dy by dx, or they will give cos of dy by dx, or log of dy by dx, or exponential of dy by dx. That results in that results we can't define degree of the differential equation, but we can define order of the differential equations. Okay, thank you.